On select dishwashers, a pressure switch is used to monitor the amount of water entering the tank. The pressure switch has an attached tube that connects to the dishwasher's sump. As the sump area fills with water, air pressure increases in the tube. When a sufficient amount of water has filled the tank, the pressure in the tube causes the switch to shut off the voltage to the inlet valve, closing it and stopping the water flow. A defective pressure switch could prevent water from entering the tank, or allow too much water in, resulting in the dishwasher overflowing. To help determine if the switch is at fault, you can use a multimeter to test the switch for appropriate changes in continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. The pressure switch is usually attached to the dishwasher's lower left or right frame, or directly under the sump. You will probably need to uninstall the dishwasher to access the pressure switch. The switch and the attached air pressure tube will need to be removed or isolated from the appliance for proper test results. Before you test the switch, you should confirm the air pressure tube has no cracks or holes and fits snugly on the switch port. Dishwasher pressure switches will typically have 3 terminals: a common terminal, a normally open terminal, and a normally closed terminal. The normally closed terminal provides power to the inlet valve, while the normally open terminal provides power to the motor. Using the dishwasher's wiring diagram, identify the 3 terminals on the pressure switch you're testing. Rotate the multimeter's range selection dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance. Now contact the black meter lead to the switch's common terminal and the red lead to the normally closed terminal. The meter display should indicate close to 0 ohms of resistance. Now blow into the attached air pressure tube. You should hear a clicking sound, and the meter display should indicate the terminals no longer have electrical continuity. Leaving the black meter lead on the common terminal, contact the red lead to the normally open terminal. The meter display should indicate no continuity until you blow air into the pressure tube. If the pressure switch tests negative for continuity throughout the test, or positive when it should not, you'll know the part is defective and will need to be replaced with a new one.